On February 22nd, 2019, which is about 4 days ago, at approximately 7 p.m. in the evening, it started snowing. This is a storm front that moved in from Arizona after it dumped unseasonable snows for that area. As you can see, it's not snowing really hard yet, but it starts to increase as you can see it. The weather forecast called for moderate to heavy rains and a possibility of sleet. And as you can see, it's snowing. This is the neighbor's backyard light on a telephone pole, and you can see how much the snow is falling. About 14 minutes later, or about 7:15 p.m., the snow started to increase. This wasn't a really long snowstorm. It wasn't like all night, but the short time, about an hour, hour and a half, it dumped quite a bit of snow in the yard. This is what it looked like out the front door. As you can see, there's quite a bit of snow on my truck, and the snow is falling pretty good. Meanwhile, on our back deck, this is the tent we put up for the stray cats that we take care of. You can see the amount of snow on there. Looks pretty dismal. This is recorded by an outside Arlo security camera I bought, put up just to watch these cats and see how they're doing. There's two cameras, one outside the tent and one inside the tent. You can zoom the picture like I'm doing here, and I'm looking to see if there's anybody in the tent. You see the food dishes. This is the other camera inside the tent. You notice there's two cat beds, plenty of food and water. And I'm checking to see if anybody's in there. This is the baby. This is a kitten, a little black kitty we call Shadow. And this is what he's doing inside the tent while the snow's falling. Well, about midnight, the snow had pretty well stopped, and then the next day he went out and swept all the snow off the deck and the tent, And then the sun came out and melted all the snow just as if it had never fallen in the first place. But this was our February surprise snowstorm for 2019. I hope you enjoyed the video.